Folktales are often used to teach younger people what older people have learned during their lives. I am going to reread the last few pages from The Village That Vanished to you. I want you to think about what Abigail learned from her elders. Remember, an elder is someone older than you, like your grandparents or parents. After I finish reading, write a paragraph explaining your analysis of what she learned from her elders. Angry at the loss of slaves he might otherwise have captured, the chief gathered his men to leave, saying, "We have been wasting our time. There is nothing here for us in these woods, and there never was." And they rode off on their horses, making a great clattering of hoofs never to be seen in Yao again. And Chimwala, sitting in her doorway, watched them go with a faint smile etched on her stony face. And that, my children, is how the Yao tribe was saved. And this story came down to us many generations later because an old woman and a very young girl did what had to be done when their people were threatened. They knew that once their ancestors have spoken, one must answer not only with faith, but with courage as well. Now take this time to respond in your notebook.